Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today learn here us to command. Us to command is a flange, hole and circular stamp. Okay, and this to command is a sit metal command you can see here. And guys, CATIA lecture 93 is discussed here, and CATIA sit metal 3D commands learn easily and clearly and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, a stamping command is very important, and stamping command related to two command is discussed here. First is flange hole and second is circular hole. Okay, one by one is discussed here. And guys, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and at first create a sheet, then two command is one by one discussed here. Okay, at first select a center rectangle. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and at first click this set metal parameters command because this command is not activated, and click this command as okay. Then all command is activated. Okay, and wall is generate here. Okay, this is a wall is create here, and plane is hide. Okay, this plane is also hide, and this plane is also hide. Okay, all plane is hide because drawing a looking so nice. Okay, two command is a first command is a flange hole and second is a stamp, circular stamp. Okay, this is two command is a this. Okay, at first draw a flange hole. Okay, this. Okay, at first click flange hole and create a this. Okay, this command is a flange hole definition dialog box is pop up, and okay, this is a height and radius, angle, a diameter. Okay, all is this icon is this preview is showing here. Okay, and okay, this is a this is a measure diameter, minor diameter, two diameter, and punch and die. One by one is discussed here and learn here. Okay, this is a height is okay, a preview is showing here. This is a perfect, and this is a okay, the arrow is outward and preview is showing here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and double click here, and height is increase. This is a height is increase, and radius is and diameter is also increase. Okay, and okay, this is a radius is increase, preview is showing here. Okay, this is a correct, and back side this is a perfect. Okay, this is perfect, and again this is a circular hole, and this click here, and this is a perfect. Okay, also height is increase, and radius 1 and radius diameter is also increased, perfect, and preview is showing here, and direction is upward. This is a perfect. Okay, both is different. This command is a flange hole, and this command is a circular hole. Okay, circular stamp. This command is a circular stamp, and this command is a flange hole. Okay, double click here, and height is increase, and also diameter is increase, and also radius 1 is increase, and 2 is also increase. Okay, preview is showing here. This is a perfect. Okay, this is a must. Okay, both command is discussed here, and pattern is also okay. This command double click here, and this is a with cone and without cone is also preview is showing here. This is a perfect. Okay, Okay, and pattern is used here, this pattern, and first direction is a reference is this, okay, and distance is a increase, and also this is a instance is increase here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this preview is showing here. And also second direction is reference element is this, direction is okay, this is a, and instance is also, and direction is okay, this is a perfect looking here, and okay, instance is also increase. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, preview is showing here. Okay, this is a correct. And also okay, pattern is used here, first direction, this is a first direction is a this reference element use here, and direction is increase. Okay, and preview is showing here. And second direction is a okay, reference this, and okay, this is a correct. Okay, also preview is showing here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a okay, 3 is better, and distance is increase because this is a tangent. Okay, okay, 3 is better, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, material is used here, and okay, some point is this shading with material, and this is a perfect body you can see here, and material is metal steel. Okay, and okay, and this is a double click here, and the reflectivity is very high because material is looking nice here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this body is a so nice. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, material is used here. Okay, this is a perfect body you can see here, this is a this body is correct. Okay, this is a okay, okay, any material is used. Okay, this is a perfect, this is perfect. Okay, this is nice. Okay, this is a perfect body isometric drawing here, and this is a perfect looking here, so nice. And okay, back side, and this is a front upper side here you can see here, this is a so nice. And okay, double click here, and this is a okay, this is a perfect body, and okay, this is a so nice, so nice. Okay, this is a apply here. Okay, so looking so nice, this increase. Okay, and click here. Okay, this is a looking so nice. Okay, okay, this is apply here material, and okay, this body is click here, and again this is a perfect. Okay, okay, This is perfect. Okay guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon, and this is all command is very important and very useful. A stamping command is very nice and very useful command. Okay guys, thank you.